Pork belly is such a gentle, juicy, great tasting meat. New recipe that we're gonna make it smoky. Before we begin, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel, click like on this video. Our team is working very hard to bring all this recipe. Let's go and get this done. I got this nice piece of pork belly. I want all the dry rub to get inside. We are gonna cut some diamonds. Now that we're done, we're gonna go this way, make it like a diamond square or something like that. We have prepared this dry rub. I'm gonna have in the descriptions what I put in there. You can check in the description. Dry rub that I have for this is 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 of teaspoon cayenne pepper. All over, and then get this inside and then rub it, give a good massage like you would do it for your girl. Now flip it over, get on the other side. Gets on the side too. Then rub it gently. You can get this tube anywhere in Amazon. We're gonna cold smoke it. We're gonna fill it with pellets. Get this burning for about 10 minutes or so. We will be using Kamada grill to get this processed. For about 1 hour, we're gonna be cold smoking. I want to first that pork belly gets smoked, and then we're gonna raise up the temperature. We're gonna set this inside of our Kamada grill. What it's gonna do now, it's just gonna smoke. That's what we want for now. We will set our pork belly skin up. We'll close the grill. Has been going for an hour. We're gonna start preparing our charcoals for the grilling. Charcoals are gonna be prepared and we're gonna just put them in the grill. We're gonna set this aside. All we need is just a taste of smoke on this. So let's remove our grill. Set them on one side. Leave them on. I have this copper rack. This is how we're gonna set this rack. I'm gonna set this rack this way. We will be cooking not on direct fire, so we will be cooking skin. We'll set this pork belly back, but this is how we're gonna set it so that skin is gonna start cooking on direct fire, and we're gonna bring this temperature about 400, 450 or so. We're gonna close this. We'll watch the temperature. We will keep this open for temperature to go up. If it's gonna go too high, we're gonna close the opening and the air to keep it about 450 degrees. This is 450 degrees. We are gonna check how it's going to make sure it's going good. To show you, look at all the fat that's dripping on it. You can see like skin is getting cooked. The color is changing, getting red. This looks great. We are gonna put a little bit of salt and put it back on the other side. So this goes right back. We're gonna cook a little bit more. I wanna other side get nice looking too. Oh gosh, smells so good. And we'll continue cooking while our pork belly is cooking, we're gonna make sauce for it. We're gonna use about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Same Worcestershire sauce. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's balsamic vinegar, a little bit less, and sesame oil. Sesame oil, not too much, like 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put some of monkey fruit or sugar. You can use sugar as well. We're gonna put this and we're gonna simmer it. Pork belly is almost done. What we're gonna do with the sauce we just created, we are gonna go and kind of sprinkle it on it. We're gonna do this on top, and then it's gonna just look at this. So this is just gonna float in between. It's gonna get inside that pork belly. It looks really good. So we are gonna cook this for a little bit longer. I want internal temperature to reach about 165 degrees. This is how we're gonna finish up. We're gonna put this in a tray now. We'll pour a little bit of that sauce. We brought the temperature up on the grill. Now we had this temperature up. We set this pork belly inside the tray. I set the tray on top of the grill and get it cook a little bit. We're gonna bring it up to about 165 degrees and then we'll pull it out. Our pork belly has reached 165 degrees. We are gonna slice it to show you. Oh, look at this. Looks good. Look at this. All this red, that's from smokiness. Oh, looks so good. Let's cut more of the piece. See, skin is crunchy and soft, even though it's got dark, but crunchy. I love skin. Wow. This is just unbelievable. It's really good. This is really, really good. It's very smoky. It's really good flavor. It's very soft and very juicy. I'm gonna pull another piece, I'll show you. Look at this. Subscribe to my channel, click like on this video. Our team is working very hard to bring all this recipe